Really? Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is NOVATazz, and you are watching NOVATazz Customs. Today we are going to be working on the Trans Am. Got a new part in the mail, and really excited because I think this is one of the parts that was holding me back from running the car. So, in this box, you know what? I'll show you this box later in the video. Let's get going. Alright, so we are out here in the lovely weather. It's been raining forever, so this is actually sweet. So today, like I said, we are going to be installing what's in that box. No, I'm not telling you just yet. But I do have my buddy Chevy, Chevy Boy 36, with me because I broke my pinky. So, well, actually, I had it broken for me at work. But we're going to install the magic part in the box, and we're also going to try getting this running today. And after that, I will be taking the carburetor off and sending it out to a company out in California to get rebuilt back to the factory way. So that's where we're at with this. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do, and before we install the magic part, is we're going to remove all the stuff off the top of the motor. So let's get this air cleaner off. And bam, okay, air cleaner is off. Now, we can get to several things here. Number one, like I said, we are going to be removing this carburetor and getting it sent out to be rebuilt. And we can also now get to the magic part. So without further ado, I'm going to unveil what we got. All right, and that magic part is, yes, got a brand new billet distributor. No more messing around with a 30-year-old distributor with hodgepodge parts from my Chevy. I have a feeling this was one of the major things that was wrong with the motor to begin with when we ran it last year, and the carburetor. So we're going to replace these two parts. So why don't we get this one set up here to be dropped in there. Alright, so we have the cap off of this beautiful distributor, and appears to be very good quality. We'll know once we get it on the car how well it works. But let's get this beauty installed. Alright, so we have all the plug wires off, and yeah, we have them all numbered. Chevy is in the process of removing the distributor cap. The next step we're going to do is we're going to try to get this to top dead center of #1 cylinder. So we're going to hook up the battery, and hopefully we have a battery charge. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see this, but the engine is as close to top dead center. #1 spark plug is out, and distributor is pointing approximately where #1 cylinder should point. So we are going to pull this distributor out and drop the other one in. And then he's going to pull it out without okay, and next step is to install the new one. Okay, and reinstall the bolt, the keeper, and then we'll get the cap back on it, get it all hooked up, get the wiring all back in, and then it's a matter of getting gas back up to the carburetor. So let us do all the stupid stuff, and we'll be back. Alright, with the distributor in and all of the wiring rerouted, all the plugs hooked back up, we're going to put gas in this thing and see if we can get it to fire up. So as before, we're still having issues with this carburetor, which is also why I'm sending it out to have it rebuilt. I do believe their website is carbcareusa.com. But we're going to swap it with the Edelbrock off my Nova, because I know this is a good working carb, though be it dirty. So let's get these swapped out and we'll try to get it to run again. Go. Really? Ready? There you go. All right, well, there you have it. She runs. New distributor is installed. We still need to set the timing. I have to go back and go get my timing gun. And we have the carb pulled to be sent out to California. It's there down on the ground, along with the carburetor from the Oldsmobile motor that used to be in this car. We did end up throwing on the 650 Edelbrock carburetor to get the car running. That was the one that came off of my Nova. It's still got a lot of work to do, but hopefully she will be on the road by the end of summer. Hopefully before the end of summer, but hopefully it'll at least be done by the end of summer. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to follow up more on this car along with my other cars that are down here, I can't really see them. There they are. If you would like to follow the builds on any of my cars, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, have a nice day and enjoy the hobby.